In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use sticky notes in Microsoft Whiteboard. Sticky notes are perfect for brainstorming, planning work, and quickly organizing thoughts on a shared canvas, whether you're using the web version, the desktop app, or Whiteboard inside Teams. Start by opening your Whiteboard and looking at the toolbar. Click the Create button, the plus icon, and choose. Add note if you want a single sticky, or add note grid if you want several at once. Pick a color that suits your category or mood, then drag the note icon onto the canvas to place it exactly where you want. If you prefer, you can right-click on any blank area of the board, or press and hold on a touch device, and select Note to insert a sticky note directly where you clicked. This is great when you're working quickly and want precise placement. To add text, simply click a sticky note and start typing. If you need to change the text later, click the note again or use the Edit or Pencil button if it appears. You can also write on a note with the Ink tool. Any pen or drawing strokes stay anchored to that note. For clarity, keep each sticky to one idea and create a new note rather than cramming too much into one. You can adjust the way a note looks at any time. Right-click the note or use the small toolbar attached to it to change the background color. Drag the note to move it around your board, and drag its edges to resize it if you need more room. Color coding is a simple way to signal categories or priorities, and resizing helps you create visual hierarchy. Larger notes can serve as headers, while smaller ones can act as quick reminders. When you're working with lots of ideas, try a note grid. A grid is a structured cluster of sticky notes that stays neatly aligned. Insert a note grid instead of a single note, then use the grid's toolbar to add note and expand your set. You can drag individual notes into or out of the grid whenever your ideas evolve. Grids make it easy to scan, compare, and sort without losing alignment. If you need duplicates or want to remove something, it's straightforward. To copy, select a note and use the Copy button, or right-click and choose Copy. To delete, select the note and press the Delete key, or choose Delete from the toolbar or context menu. You can remove a single note inside a grid or delete the entire grid if you're starting fresh. That's it. Add, type, style, organize with grids, and copy or delete as needed. Give it a try and watch your brainstorming flow.